Um, well, if you have a pool, and if you're talking about wellness in water, this is a project that we did in Coimbatore, and again for us, it was more about how can the experience of swimming or the experience of being in a pool be a lot more interesting, a lot more interactive. So the pool that you see is actually a part of a 75-foot vault, and once you step into the 45-foot long pool, you kind of the person who's swimming, when you look up through this open to sky kind of part, it kind of frames the sky. But then as you move towards the end, you are in the covered part of the pool. There are also these vignettes through these arched openings that are framing the outside and connecting the outside to the inside, and bringing the inside out, and likewise.